Alright guys, so we're back here at the Seagrape replacement, and let's take a closer look at the root system. So right over here we can see that's just a healed, compartmentalized branch that was there probably when the tree was very young. It was cut off, but it looks good. If you look at the root system, these burns here are only about maybe 2 feet wide, and these roots here, yeah, just about 2 feet wide, just about 2 feet wide right there. These roots here are really anchoring the tree down in the burn, and they kind of air prune themselves there and created support for the tree. Roots look good. They're not choking the crown here, the root crown. They're coming out and about, trying to hold on to the tree. There is some dead wood right over here, but this branch right here, which is the lower branch, could be cut, could be pruned away. Also, this little stub right here as well. And if you like, this one here could also be pruned. I mean, trees here, field grown, they typically will require a little bit of pruning to give it some structure. As far as transportation, the idea is to harvest the plant and lean on this branch right here, this main lead right here, and really cover it up with a lot of burlap, and lay it on a bench in the truck. So I don't think it'll be too difficult to get that accomplished. Especially if we decide to cut this lower limb off. It can make it easier and reduce weight from the top when it's laying down. So this is the tree. I hope you guys like it.